All right, brother. Should we start off with your amazing win this morning on SMCI?
Oh man, come on now. Let's.
I got to stop your screen from sharing for a second, brother. We got to share this with the public. We got to share it, share it, share it. Bam, you could talk about it.
Let's see where it's at. Where it's at. Well, this morning, got off on AMCI. Man, what a great trade! Finish up with about 11.5 on it, but that was it, man. That's when you know. Okay, the market opened up green. We took advantage of it, and we took the stock pick of the day: Nvidia, Billy, SC, SMCI, Tesla, and we're still going now. We're gonna get over into the other screen here and show you what that's
Yep.
all about. But just wanted to show you that you could do it too, right? We're here. Okay.
Hey, you can reshare yours.
Go back here. Gonna take a few minutes here. Let's go back. Come on. Right, there we go. Take a minute for it to come.
There it is.
But yeah, this is SMCI, like we said, right? SMCI, come on, respond. This is it here this morning. As we watch it this morning at pre-market, right? We know we need to get over this level here, okay? Stock open up, pop. I didn't get in on the initial pop. It came back down. And as you could see, this bottom tail here, I got in. I was even late at the entry. Here's the entry here, right? The entry on the SMCI. Here it is, 266.57. And as you know, I do my sticky notes. I don't know if you could see it, but 266.28. Okay, I got it late, and I wrote it all the way up to this candle here. Okay, and was out into the strength of the stock. All right, and I was done. First partial, second partial, hit our target, bam, done with the trade and let the partial run. And the partial is running right now, 200 shares left. Okay, she's going. And I look to short it at this level back down as it come back down to this 271 level here. I'm gonna look for it to short it there on SMCI. But for now, let her run. Okay. Good morning. How are we doing? Who is in here? Who's in the channel here with us?
Sean and Gregster's just popping in.
Bishan. How you doing, Bishan? Good morning. Happy Tuesday. I just saw Greg Star just popped up a while ago. Good
Hey,
morning.
Gregster.
Good morning.
Morning. Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, everybody.
Yes, sir.
Good morning.
Hey, Nvidia. Come on, baby. There you go. To the downside. Come on. Let's get this out of the way here, because that was a beautiful trade this morning here.
AMD is pushing up. 121 high of the day for
Yeah, all those Chinese stocks, definitely take advantage of them. Take advantage of them for sure. SMCI. What a trade.
11.5 on that trade, right?
Yeah. Beautiful. Come on, Tesla. Come on down. Nvidia is going, so let's go. Giving it back all up today. SMCI. SMCI. Went back down to VWAP there. A little short, I mean, SMCI comes back down here at this level here. We wanted to break this level, the VWAP here to the downside. NVIDIA is melting. NVIDIA
Yes,
is
she
melting.
is. They're all gonna melt now.
Tesla should follow.
Yep, they're all gonna melt.
Tesla bro, short. Okay. Come on, Tesla.
You were in Tesla, sure.
Yeah, right at VWAP.
Mm-hmm.
Needed to finish down here. It's trying to find support. Good morning, good morning, good morning, guys. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome, welcome. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
And guys, Costco is pushing hard, pushing up steady.
What's the letter on that?
COST.
COST.
T, cost.
Yes.
Yep.
Oh, that's nice. That's nice, 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 nice. Got to break that 590 for more upside on that. Looks good. Little gap up there. Yeah. 596 is another resistance area here on cost. So just be mindful, it's a gap up and there's resistance up here at 596. But looks good. Looks good. Looks good. Let's see what SC is doing now. SC is down here.
Looks like Tesla found support.
Yeah, it's trying. Let's see. Let's take some partial on our SC here. Let's see.
Yeah, Sean wants to know what you think about Tesla. You wrote in the chat. Good morning, Sean.
Take some profit here. Out of SC.
Well, as you can see, Bishan, the Zen trader is shorting Tesla at the moment.
Yeah, I short Tesla at the VWAP right here. All right, it needs to break underneath this level for more downside at 231.40. So it needs to break under this level here for more downside. Trying to find support here. So if it finds support, I'll be out. Okay. Then I could look for what it's going to do next. Okay. I got to look for what it do next.
You're welcome.
My stop is going to be there for Tesla, and let's see what it do next. We need to see it break down. Go to NVIDIA. NVIDIA will come back down, make this head and shoulder here, right? If it does, more likely it could stay here for this level here. See here? Use this level as a support and bounce up. For that reason, I could come out with 3/4 here. Do 8. Let's do 8. Okay. Let's do 8 and let the partial.
מי מדליק שם דארק?
Okay.
והייתי, לא יודע מה זה אחריו.
Partial run. Okay. SC, we know we're looking for
Yeah,
SC.
some issue.
We're going to short SC, right? SMCI. SMCI coming. SMCI. SMCI, we need to short through here. Let's clear this out because that's what's my target area. Okay. SMCI. Get my laptop set up here. How's everybody doing?
Tesla found the support.
Watch SMCI here, Tesla. Trying to find that support here. Got a stop loss there on Tesla. That's the partial one. Straight I would look to short is SMCI. SMCI. All right, SMCI. Okay. VWAP stands. VWAP stands. VWAP stands. VWAP stands. VWAP stands. Okay. Here we go. All right. Let's see what they feel us at. Okay, beautiful. Beautiful. Nice. Come on. All right, target. Let's get our stop loss up here. At this level here. Okay? Between this candle and this candle here. All right. Just need it to melt down a little bit more here. Okay? Target. Come on. One more candlestick here. Come on, open up below here. Open up below. Okay, come on. Come on, here we go. One more. We need this to break through here. Okay, need the next one. Come on down. Target. Here we go. Come on. Here we go. Come on. That's it. 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 Come on. Here we go. Come on. There we go. One more. One more. One more. Get ready. Get ready. Get ready, guys. Get ready. Get ready. Hey, there you go. Woo! That pulled back up quick, didn't it?
Did.
Wow. It's sitting there. The share's sitting there waiting to be. There she goes. Finally. Oh. Woo! They won't give it to you, huh?
Oh, there it's coming.
Yeah, man. Let the partial run now. Beautiful. Where we at? NVIDIA. Video. Trying to find support down here, right? That's what we talk about. This level here. Keep trying, push up. Video. Let's take another 100 off NVIDIA. Okay. You're afraid to pay yourself, guys. Bring the stop loss down here. 93. It's 95. So I'm almost 3 points. I don't know this stuff. Okay.
You got 4 points in on the video.
Absolutely. Took 100 out. Beautiful. SMCI. Let the rest ride. I see. Ain't no returning right now on SC. So just let that rock for a minute. Tesla. We need Tesla to break this level here. 231.80, right? Come on down. And Tesla would do almost the same thing as NVIDIA. Okay, this level here for this head and shoulder here. If not, I'm going to use this level as support. If she breaks here, this is the next one. Okay. Great job on SMCI. Billy's trying to come back up, so I'll be stopped out at Billy right here. Too much in Billy anymore.
Good trade on SMCI.
Good day, boys.
Doing your thing. How you doing, brother?
I'm good. I was just too busy with the meetings with the banks and all that stuff. So
You
yeah.
gotta do what you gotta do. You're a busy man, man. You know.
So Mark didn't like my eggs.
Oh yeah, I took it. I eat
What?
one the other day.
I finished them all. You
Oh, you
kidding me?
finished them?
Yeah, they're all gone.
You must keep them in the freezer. Not
Freezer?
in the fridge. In the fridge. Keep them cool.
I have the empty package. What am I going to do with that?
I'll be right back.
I can't put that in the refrigerator. Oh, man. But this guy, I have no place to put it.
Which guy?
It's got to go outside, you said.
No, in the house. Stays in the house.
Oh, you said it had to be outside weather.
No, it tells you whether it's going to rain or not.
Okay, so let me see. I gotta look at the chart. She's blue. Light blue.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, here it is. It's on top here. Sunny. No, this ain't right. You gave me a defective rooster. It's raining out.
You kept it outside.
No, I can't put it outside. I have no outside to put it in. Sitting on my desk.
Yeah, put it on top of your monitor.
It's a defective rooster, Zen, he gave me. It's raining. It says
raining?
it's raining outside, but it says it's sunny, partly sunny and cloudy.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, man. I want a refund. I'll trade it in for some eggs.
You didn't pay for it.
Trade it in for some eggs.
Look at Tesla right now.
Cindy, did you forget everything you learned?
Kind of.
Don't worry, I'm here, buddy. We got you. Come on, Tesla need to break. Okay, SMCI is trying to make support here. SMCI, either target, right?
Yeah.
All right. Anything anybody else looking at? Something to check.
Let's see.
Tesla, SMCI, just trying to find that support. Target. $72.
Target, Steve. Target.
TGT.
TGT. Yeah.
Resistance up here on TGT. Short on the 110 50 here. Long over the top here.
Yeah, it's resisting at 111. I already took profit on 111. It's my second round.
Yeah, long over here, as you could see it here. It was a nice break this morning at this 108.50. Video trying to come up.
SMCA is trying to come up.
Yeah, SMCI got to break through the VWAP though.
Airbnb over 125.
The BMD was nice this morning too.
Yeah, I must Airbnb.
There was so much opportunity in the market right now.
Mm-hmm.
Just gotta pick your stock. SMCI.
Steve,
Yes.
yeah, you can look at Tesla right now.
Tesla is trying to find support here. You got to watch it at this level through the VWAP back up again, right? It's 234, 36 here. If it's going to break, it has to break that. And then that's will be your target. Look at the top here. There's resistance up there. Lower highs, lower highs. Okay. Let's see what it does here at this level. SMCI is coming up. Stop loss. I'll be stopped out. Oh,
Flash. Flash.
yeah.
And guys, look at BE.
BE, give me one moment. I'm gonna be stopped out here on SC.
SMCI just broke the view up too.
Yeah. One moment here.
Morning. Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. Which stock was it?
BE.
BE. Slow mover. Anything over 12. Anything below VWAP. That's all I see there on that. Slow mover.
Thank you.
A few more cents before I get stopped out. 22, 272. 7240. Welcome all YouTubers. If you're on YouTube first time, go ahead subscribe to the channel for me and hit the notification bell. Let you know when I go live. If you want to come into our Zoom lag without any lag, just hit the link up here in the chat in the YouTube and you'll get to our Zoom. Okay, with no delay. Okay.
SMCI is moving.
Yeah, I'm watching it right now.
Where's your, oh, you're right at your stop loss. Okay. It just took a little.
Stop Okay, so now we adjust, okay, over the top here on SMCI. Okay, so now we know where it wants to go. Okay, let's get rid of that. Here is going to be a short, and here is going to be a long over the top, right? I could have switched out, sold out, and bought back at the same to grab it higher, but I want to see it go higher to see what it's going to do at this level. Now, this is a channel now, right? This is the bigger channel, this one here, right?
Here is it. Tesla breaking the view up. Right now.
This is the bigger channel here, right? This is the smaller channel. So let's see what it does here. Okay, over the top. The spread on the SMCI is pretty big, so just be mindful of that stuff. Okay.
The MACD still has it down, right?
On what?
The MACD on SMCI.
Yeah. All that could change right here.
Yep.
This is two beautiful candle that came through the V-Walk.
Come on, Tesla, flash down.
Tesla is strong right now.
Go to SMCI. Go to SMCI. As you see, guys, I don't go back with the full share size as I went in with my first initial. Each time I go in, I lower my share size. Okay. Now we have a channel. So now we know this is where it needs to break over, right? 275, 88.
Tesla breaking the view up right now. I think she's going higher.
SMCI, Tesla.
There we go, Tesla. Come down, baby.
Tesla still look like a short. Just gotta
It's making a higher lows, so it's not hasn't broken out as yet.
NVIDIA out. NVIDIA last 100 shares. Okay. SMCI. Here we go. Okay, let's go. Stop loss. Underneath here. Okay. Run now. Right. Watch NVIDIA. Watch NVIDIA. Action, a little bit of some resistance here. Okay. Watch Tesla. $95.85. Tesla.
I don't know about it. Let's look too strong. Here, Tesla breaking the view of right now.
Looking at what time frame you watching it in?
It
Half a
bounced it
second.
right now.
Huh?
Half a second.
What time frame, Ofek?
5 minutes.
That's where it got to break now. You see? 1, 2, 3, 4. See if we could have it. Tesla. Okay.
It's a time to get out from the trade.
Yeah, my stop loss is right here on Tesla.
There goes SMCI. Come on.
Right through that.
Maya Day on Netflix.
We were there. Oh yeah. Found one. Okay. The VWAP bounce now. We got to bounce over this level here. Okay. I could come out of Tesla. Okay. Come out of Tesla. That was a nice short. Got paid out of Tesla. It's great. All right, SMCI, in the money, looking good. Ooh, I talked too early, huh?
Hmm.
Somebody took profit up there.
Yep.
Flush it right back down. Tesla, watching Tesla.
AMD.
AMD. AMD. That was nice. Over 122, that's what I see now for AMD. One 122, and then we'd have to break this level here for more downside here. This level here. This 120 area here, short. And click on that at SMCI. For 122. That's what you got to work with AMD. That's it. Got momentum to carry us up on SMCI. This level get breaking down. Need this level to be broken. Okay. We need this level to be broken by SMCI. Is it going to be strong enough to get over this level? Fit for SMCI right now. So you see this orange. See this orange line here. This is this orange line here. This is where we need to be today. Okay, that's our next target. SMCI. If it fails, goes up, then we could look to short it again, either through the VWAP or at this level here. Wait, 268. All right. That's what it's trying to use that VWAP. That would be the target on SMCI. Let's go back to Tesla and see where Tesla is. Stop out at this level here. Fine. If you go along here, and then this would be your target. Woo. Waking up, drinking water. I see what I see is doing, trying to make something happen here.
I'm out of Tesla. Not a good trade.
That was a good trade.
No,
Well, what was your entry on Tesla? You shorted Tesla?
yeah, I shorted it.
Okay. You didn't take any profit out?
No,
What was your entry on Tesla?
at the VWAP.
At the VWAP? Boom,
Yeah,
here? We were talking about it, it's forming a support. So any money or any profit here, you could have took partial, right? 3/4
Yeah.
out, right? Here, here. So you had two opportunities to get a partial out, okay? Stop loss here.
where is your take profit in SMCI?
My target is right here. If you can't make my target, then I'll readjust my take profit. But I need to see it get up here. The momentum, push it higher. If not, I'll be out. It's gonna stop me out, stop loss here. That's what I'm giving it.
Okay, I'm with you.
This is my stop loss with Tesla. Then you wrote that down, right? You took the short, right? Then you gotta write that down. What did I do? Why I didn't? What made me not taking that partial or that 3/4 out, right? And seeing the stock finding support and come back and erase all that profit. That is what you gotta go over in your mind and go over on paper. These are the things that you need to have down, right? It's here. It's here again. It's here. It gave you an opportunity here. And not only it pulled back, it pulled back and give it here and test it again one more time. And you see that it didn't break it. Should have been my 3/4 out. If you fail here, it gave you a second opportunity, right back to the VWAP. Okay? So that's what you gotta always look at. For me, look now on SC. SC is coming up. I'll take 3/4 out. I take 300 shares out. Okay. Now, 39. $39.90. Okay. $39.90. I'll be out of the rest.
You still got $1.35 profit built in, right?
Right? Yeah. 38.90. Sorry. 38.90. Okay. And it's okay. All right. Then look at this stock now on SC if it really wants to come up. But if I look at the daily, the pressure is to the downside. It already broke this level here. And to come back up, it would have to fill this little gap here that it gapped down from, right? So that means it got to come all the way back up and fill this gap to go higher, which I don't see this happening today. Worst case scenario, it will go sideways and maybe down more, right?
Yeah.
So for what it is, I could play it up because it's giving me off the bottom here, off a little support here, but then you got the VWAP, right? I would wait to see come through the VWAP, see what it's gonna do. I don't always gotta take the stock just because it's coming off the bottom. You don't always have to do that. Some people like to do that. That's your strategy. I want to see this resistant level get taken out. This right here. I want to see this get taken out. And if this is getting taken out, look at the bigger profit that I'm looking to make. Look at the bigger profit window that I have here, from here to here, right? It's much smaller from here to here, right?
Yeah.
Not saying it cannot work. It can work, but it all depends on what you're looking for. I'm looking for this, right? You could play this here and build a position small if the trend is to the upside, right? If the trend is to the upside and the momentum is shifting to the upside, you could play a small share size with your stop loss at the bottom, right? Now, if I was getting this stock off the bottom, I would enter here, stop loss here, right? I'll be what, 3/4 in? Look at that. Now it needs to break here.
Yeah.
Then you got the VWAP to deal with here. So I'll get stopped out. The trade is over. I need to see this level break. It could do whatever it needs to do now after that, right?
Right. And why did you get into SMCI?
SMCI, beautiful. Beautiful, man. Let she go, man. As you could see Tesla here. Right?
Steve, you want to look at BCDA.
BCDA.
B Charlie DA. No. Bravo Charlie Delta Alpha. Yes,
Yeah,
that's the one.
Right there.
Yeah, that's the one. It got halted twice.
I don't see much movement.
Mm. There we go up again. There we go up again.
Wait for it to get through that 150. Let's say.
Mm-hmm. Well, I'm just I got news on it was popping, so I just got in a few shares.
Good job, man. I have to break this level for me to get to there. And again, you know, those I would have to put in mega sheer size quantity to make a significant amount of money on that dollar stock. But that's that. Short here, long there. If you're in that trade, or you want to take that trade, I don't see anything else. For me, I would have to put in like 40K worth quantity. 40K. Is it gonna work for me doing 40K when I could put that in a Tesla or an Nvidia and make more with those share size quantity? You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
But something to watch if you're into that. That's where I would look 150 long and then short on that 105. Straight away from Nvidia. So play on Nvidia.
Baba.
Give me some play on Nvidia. So now Nvidia, look for here now, right? Because we want to see Nvidia at 500 today, right? 500 is the goal. Pull me down a little bit more.
Yep.
Water.
Oh yeah. You into are you trading Baba? You soon?
Yeah. Yeah.
Would you take it pre-market?
Yeah. I got it at 82.60.
Oh, beautiful. Okay.
Mm.
Oh, I thought you'd be trading it like early in the morning.
I got it very early. I mean, I got it around when the news came out.
Ah,
Mm.
okay, yeah. Came out around 8:30 our time. Boom.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. Are you in coin as well?
Nope. It's
No.
good.
No, you just said it before. I thought you said coin. Somebody said coin before.
Mm. I'm holding Rivian. Shit doesn't want to move.
How's your yeah, let's take a look at AMPH. Hopefully that popped.
It's not much. Not much. Not much.
Oh,
But I'm
come on. It moved $5.
yeah, I'm only down 99K now.
Is that it? Well, see, you broke the 100 threshold.
Yeah. Yeah.
Broke that 100 threshold. Yeah, at
Target,
least
target, target is moving, boys. Target is gonna keep on moving. Oh,
target's
that's
sideways, brother.
yeah. Now it's
It
sideways.
moved.
But
Yeah, it moved, the first couple candles on the open, and then it's in this channel.
yeah.
It's in this channel.
UPS is just going. It's just going. I just
You
got too
saw
little.
Tesla? Look at Tesla now.
Yep. Shim opened up. SHIM IPO.
Yes.
Just opened. SH Harry Indigo
SHIM.
Mary.
Yeah. Shim Corporation. Okay, let's make $1 million
Might,
today.
might be a sham, but it's Shim.
Uh,
Doesn't look like anything much happening on it.
no,
347.
it's already down already.
Yep.
It's already down as it opened, so
Down 5.7%, right? Yep.
I don't see it.
I don't see anything magnificent happening there.
Uh-uh.
Okay, I'll just put it.
UPS, boys. UPS. UPS.
From the IPO list.
UPS.
It moves later on.
Yeah, I'll keep tracking it. I got 2, 4, 6. I got like 12, 13 IPOs I'm waiting for.
SMCI is looks like SMCI is getting tired.
Yeah,
Yeah, I think she's getting tired now.
You get tired. As long as you're in the money.
Yeah, I mean the money, but she's getting tired.
take some out here. It's like 300 out here.
I already got out.
Well, she's tired up there. She could run. Take some out.
Guys, look at TJX.
Oh, TJX, yeah.
Broke.
TJX is a Jim Cramer stock.
Uh-oh. He must
Yeah.
have said to short it because it's going up.
No, he spoke about
That
it.
was nice. That was nice. But
Mhm.
Mike. Today, Mike, how you doing, Mike?
Target just popped too.
Thank you for the like, Mike. I appreciate that. I appreciate you. If you want to come into the Zoom, the link is up there at the top of the chat there. I appreciate it. Go ahead and subscribe as well, Mike. This was nice. I mean, it's slowly. These are the kind of stock you want to get in early, you know, but it's a gap up. Okay, gap up and go. Absolutely.
Okay, it's a good time to get into SE for long.
Okay, pre-market.
Here we go with target.
$92.90 looks good to short. $92.90. Wow. Be a target because it's moving so slow. Nothing dramatic, you know. Okay, SMCI. Let's see what they're doing. I'm okay with SMCI coming back. Touch my entry. We made bank off it. Tesla looking good. Back again. You see that on Tesla? How you gotta trust your stop loss, right? Trust
Right,
the stop loss, right?
uh,
Here we go again, right?
There was some meaning behind that stop loss, OFEC.
you're right.
It wasn't just that he was giving it $2 or $1.50.
Mhm.
It has a resistance right there. And if it broke resistance, that's why he was doing a stop loss. Correct, Zen?
Correct. You got it, Mark. Teach, brother. Teach.
So that's why he gives it the amount he gives it. It may look like a lot from where he shorts it, but it has meaning to it. And that hit what? 1, 2, 3, 4, almost 5, almost 6 times, 5 times. So probably if he had an automated stop loss in, that tail would have taken him out 2 candles ago. But that's patience, man. I'm still learning it too. So that's the tough thing about this market is patience.
Yes, sir.
Baba.
92.90. Okay, I see where you got the 92.90. Right there.
What are you looking at? Baba Yassin?
Yeah, I mean, since 82.60.
Nice. 82.60?
Mm-hmm.
You partial any out yet? Where's your target?
My target. I've already reached my target.
Hmm?
I think the target is reached for today.
No, the target on the stock. On Baba,
Yeah,
what was the target?
it's got heavy resistance at 83.34. So
Did you take your profit?
yeah.
Okay.
Some resistance right here. 3. Give it 84 right here. This level here. Here. Here.
Mm-hmm.
Here. Right? We need to get, and then a gap fill is right here to be filled. Look at this level. Okay. So can it get there and fill the gap and go higher? We'll see. You take it for what the stock is giving you, right?
Mm-hmm.
That's pretty much it. Right? We can't be looking for long. These stocks is gonna run long. So what? Let it go. Let it go without you.
Mm-hmm.
I really can't understand Tesla. For real.
I'll show you.
Tesla is dangerous, man.
Tesla is still in a downside motion. You see where it is?
Tesla is
Remember what
dangerous.
I tell you here. This is the outline of it all, right? And now it's in a channel using the VWAP. Remember, account for this VWAP. It's also an indicator that people don't really use enough. From here to here, that's a trade you could make. But look at the channel. This is the overall scope of the channel here. Okay, let me switch this up. Okay,
But
so you understand.
that's
From
not mean
here,
that's a
from where this.
bull flag.
Okay, I'll do this and maybe you could understand it a little bit more. From here, Tesla gap up and went to the high, right? This is what the stock is telling you. By me looking at it, this is what the stock is telling me. This is the high it's going to be for right now. It established that at pre-market. That's the high, and this is the low. Okay? Within the scope of things, between the high and the low, there's a channel. This is the channel. Okay? This is the channel. You found it. Support. Boom. This is resistance. That's the channel now. After the broad scope from top to bottom, which is low and high, this is the channel now. Now Tesla is in a channel. Does your strategy fit within this channel? Those are questions you got to ask yourself. Does what I know fit in the way the stock is trading right now? If it doesn't, then I won't trade this stock. I won't trade it. I won't trade this channel because it doesn't fit in my trading technique, right? Or my trading strategy.
Why did you get into this trade?
Into Tesla? It broke down, right? The VWAP is one of my trades, right? It broke through the VWAP and found support. Right?
Okay,
so we
so
took
if
it,
it found
we
support,
took
why are you
profit.
still in?
Huh?
If it found support, so why do you still in?
Why I'm still, it hasn't hit my stop loss. This is my stop loss. Right? So this is your stop loss. Okay? It haven't stopped me out. It still have an opportunity to stop me out because it's right in the VWAP. It could do a VWAP bounce, boom. Right? So if you're new and you're coming into this trade and you're watching Tesla, I would wait for it to break this level or wait for this level. I don't have to get in at this level and take the trade because look, If I get in on this level, I need momentum to bring this stock higher, right? Boom, break this level here, okay? Let me show you. Break this level here, right?
The
Another
5 minutes gotta
resistance
close
here.
above.
Here, right? So from here to here, that's your profit window. From here to here, that's your profit window. Which one best serve you, from here to here or from here to here? If I was going to take it, I'll take here to here, looking for what? 234, 34 to 235. That's almost 2 points, so I'll take that. From here to here, it's just less than a point. So this would be a better trade for me with the right share size, and you'll be out following the momentum. Now, if I really want to gain big money on the stock, I'll wait for it to break the top with momentum going higher. Make sense? So it all depends on your trading strategies.
Yeah.
Okay? Here's the channel. It's going to break channel. You could take it here. Your stop loss is going to be right down here. And I'll demonstrate that in a minute for you. Okay?
The momentum is right now is good, right?
The momentum is not good right now. The volume is not good. Look at the volume bars. Look how dead it is. The spread is only 3 cents. Okay? So let me show you something. I'm just going to demonstrate this for you. Let me get out of this. Okay? Let me get out of this. We already made profit. I'm just going to demonstrate something. Okay? We talk about the resistance, right? Here we go. All right, let's make this one an orange line. Okay. This is the channel. Okay. Look at the big difference.
I'm with you.
This right here is resistance. This right here is resistance. Look how tight those resistance are. Boom. The top of these candles kind of close that level right here. So this is that major resistance Tesla got to break through, right? So if you were just coming in this trade, my stop loss would have been right here. I'm going to look to enter because I already established that, right? I already established my stop loss. I already established my entry. I already established my target, right? You got to know that going into the stock. Just don't get into the stock if you don't know your entry, your target, and your stop loss. You got to know that information first before you press the buy button. Okay?
You're 100% right. I always get caught up.
Just don't jump in the stock just because.
I thought it has a momentum right now. Look, it looks like it wants to go up. How come you know there is no momentum? I don't get it.
It wants to go up, but it's not showing me in the candlesticks, right? But for me, this candle got to be bigger than this candle. It's not showing me that yet. It's not even breaking the resistance level yet. The price asking is not over this level yet, right?
Well,
They're
234.50.
not asking for 234.30.
Yeah, 234.50. So above that, you start looking and buying, right?
But the
I
volume
started
candles are getting smaller and smaller.
Okay. So I need to know what the ask is. Can somebody ask over 230? I want to see that print first. And once I see that print, I got to see it print a couple more times and a couple more times. And the next one is going to be 230.50, 230.60. Now the volume is coming in. But I don't see anything right now. So you wait.
Yeah.
Okay, so basically it's just going sideways.
It's riding in a channel. Wait for the channel to break. There's a decision you could make. There's several decisions you could make. It all depends on your strategy, right? I knew this was my stop loss. Boom, I got out of it just to demonstrate here, okay? Now, if Tesla is going to run, I want to see it run with volume behind it and momentum behind it, right? So I want to see it break this level here. All this. All this. I don't have to get in. I could build a position, a small one, but here it is. If it doesn't work, I have my stop loss here, right?
But you know, with Tesla, as soon as it breaks it, you get like 5 seconds. If you're not in, you're not in.
You're not in. You're not in.
I know, that's what I'm
Okay.
saying. With Tesla, it just goes crazy. It goes too quick.
Just like anything else. You got to be trading the stock over a period of time to know how it reacts and know how to enter the trade. Why you see sometimes I give Tesla a break or I give NVIDIA a break.
Because you get tired of it.
You get tired, right? It get boring. So
I only trade
gotta
Tesla.
indulge in other stuff that challenge my strategies, right?
Yeah. Can you look at Rivian? It's been on fire today. It's only up 5% actually. Nothing, huh?
What's up? But look at the channel. Look at the channel, right? This is the channel. I will do nothing until I see one of these break. And again, the higher the day, it has to be followed by momentum to push the stock higher, right? It's not at the low of the day, so I would wait. You could even wait here. You could wait here, okay? Wait for it to break this level. But if you wait for it to break this level, you could build a position to right here, right? It could come back right here and make a support again. This is the overall, okay?
Yeah, now we're trading today, huh? Unless it breaks it. Breaks lower or higher.
That's it. So you just got to know what you're looking for, what you set up. You can't come to the market and just think that, okay, the stock is going up. You'll lose more than you win with that type of fundamentals.
So Steve,
Yes.
do you mark up your stocks on the daily or just the 5?
5 minutes. Sometimes I do daily. You see me go in there and market show where resistance is. It's there. I do both. Let's go back to Tesla now.
But your entry is on the 5.
Yes. Not on the daily. I trade 5 minutes. Look. Right?
So Tesla has momentum now or not?
It's building momentum now. We passed it because the 230, 430, that was my entry I needed to get in. If it pulls back, I'll get back in it. But right now, it's out about 20 cents without me. Right?
So if Tesla is up 235, then you'll get in.
That would be the next break, right?
Yeah.
I can get in here, but remember, it's at resistance. I need to see break resistance, right?
Okay.
Okay?
Okay, I'm getting it. Thank you.
Steve,
Yes, sir.
picking up a few things here. Snap. Looks like it wants to run.
Snap.
Yeah. End phase is running. End phase is running.
Oh yeah, yes, and your favorite stock is up.
Mhm.
Snap would be at 1240 on Snap.
I'm up 16K on end phase, but I'm still down 97K. How you like that?
Yeah, good, good.
How come you like that stock so much? I don't get it.
Yeah, it's a fucking good company, then, but it
It's
fucked
not a
me.
good company. It's not a good company. Google is a
Okay,
good
that's
company.
good. That was nice off pre-market. If you would have got it pre-market, beautiful.
What?
Open up this morning, 83.70, looks good, still running.
Still running, yeah.
Yes, Steve, we haven't traded this stock in a while, huh?
No,
Oh, my Tesla is green. 233.94, 900 shares.
beautiful. Look how far end phase was down and we were trading it all the way down here at 76. Now it's at $88.
Mhm.
Steve, are you gonna give us update on your crypto stuff?
Yeah, it's
Crypto
coming
channel?
tomorrow, Thursday.
Thursday, okay.
Jose Lowe is gonna come in the channel and talk about it.
On this channel or the?
This
you have
channel, this channel.
Okay.
I mean, the information that we got, guys, it's top-notch stuff, man. You know, Tesla. So end phase looks good, yes, and good for you.
Mm.
How come it's going up so
Look,
much?
you see the
First of-
Tesla trade? See the Tesla trade? Let me eat here real quick. Let's watch it burn. So you see how important that entry is, right? Look at that. Billy, hold on. Let me get out of Billy. Billy, I'm even, which is good. Nice. We didn't lose no money there on Billy, but we missed that. That was a great trade. So we need Billy to break this level here. Okay. Billy 1480. That's where we want. Stop loss is going to be right there on Billy. Okay. Yeah, stop loss. We need Billy to get through here and then through the top. Okay. Anything over this level on Billy, we go. Okay. So I know what I'm looking for. And if it doesn't work out, right, we got our stop loss set. Okay.
Hey, Steve, Shop has a good setup. Check out Shop. He's building momentum. He wants to break out. He rejected once, twice. He might reject one more time.
I have so many shops.
Looks pretty good, huh?
At the high of the day.
But if it breaks through, I mean,
Gap
there is
up.
no
It needs to
stoppage.
break. This need to break this level here on the daily. Look, it needs to break this high here.
He tried a couple times.
Yeah, but look where it got to go. Okay,
So the next stop is what, 67.40?
67.40. That's where it needs to go to break that level. Okay.
But for a quick trade, actually, I mean, isn't it good to buy above 60? I mean, now and then sell it as soon as it starts breaking it?
Well, they got to break over this level here.
Steve, you're still in SMCI?
SMCI, yeah, I got a partial in SMCI. So for me on shop, it would have to break over the top with momentum taking it over 66. Okay, over the top here. It's an even number. I want to see it breaks through that. Okay. And again, when you're trading, you're gonna try you're gonna develop of way, like even numbers, like 00, 50, 45s, you know, putting your stop loss at 98 instead of 00, 59 instead of 00, 57, just to give you, you'll find that out as you trade. You'll see things happening and you say, oh, I saw that before. Oh, let me adjust that stop loss again. And remember, just because you put a stop loss, it's not engraved in. You could always change that. Don't feel like, oh, this is my stop loss and I can't change it. You could change it at any given time. If you see that you're gonna your lost profit is more, adjust that stop loss up to kind of dwindle it down a little bit, right? Save you some more money. Okay? So with shop, that's all I see here. And it would have to fall underneath the 65 to go short here. But right now, I don't see anything. Look at SMCI. Look at that. All right? Getting exhausted up here. Look. It's 200. Look, I could take another 100 shares off. Partial, off a partial, off a partial. So what? The stock run without you. So what? There's always going to be another opportunity to get in again. And if it doesn't give you the opportunity, I guarantee it's gonna hold a position for 2 hours like we did NVIDIA yesterday, right? We hold that position for 1 hour, and then all of a sudden it broke loose. Okay? Or we're just gonna go sideways and then into close. That's it. So we're good with SMCI. Come back down here. I'm out. Okay? And then we could look for a short right back down here, right?
Anybody knows why the market's so green today? What the heck is going on?
CPI report was good.
The CPI was good. Yeah.
About
We're
time.
going green. We're going green now, boys. Your shorts should be small now. I mean, should be quick.
Quick, yep.
Yeah.
Look,
That's good.
I just want to show you the Tesla trade. And we talk about that before the stock even developed. Okay?
Snow.
Nothing. Nothing is slow right now.
No.
No. It's breaking VWAP, not enough volume for me to take it. I need to see that at this level. 165.50. This level here.
Oh. PAYC. My goodness. 180.
Short, long. That's it. And again, I don't like the long stock at the high of the day, but if the momentum is there and the trade is there, why not? Right? If it's not, what is going to be right now, it's going to ride the VWAP sideways. Right? That's number one. Number two, it's going to break higher. And number three, it's going to break lower. Right? After that, you got a decision to make. After you get into the stock, snow, your sensei snow. We got to snow. We develop where the stock has resistance, where the stock has support. Okay? Now we establish what range the stock is traveling right now, what the stock is doing. We know that the stock is going sideways. We're in a we're in a range, and that's it. That's the information you gather up. Okay? That's the information you gather up right now. How I'm gonna attack this stock now, that's if that is the stock you want to trade. Now, if it's not the stock you want to trade, then you just set it up and say, okay, that looks like that. I'm not going to trade that, move on to something else. Right? In my case, what I do my homework now. So later on, all I have to do when the alert sets off, I could just look and already know what I'm going to do. But you got to know that ahead of time. You got to set it up ahead of time. You can't get the alert and then, okay, now I'm going to do that. I already previewed this already. So, boom, back in the back of my mind. Boom, that's gone. Next. Okay? Just because a stock's up 3%, it's not always that you're going to be able to trade it or it's going to give you an opportunity to trade. Look right now. I wouldn't touch this right now. Why would I touch this? Why would I struggle to get a trade off a stock like this when I could go maybe to NVIDIA or a Tesla? Right? Look, nothing ain't happening. Right? This is your range. This is your range now for Tesla, for NVIDIA. Okay? This is your range, these two green lines. So you could trade from here to the top, from the top to the bottom. Right? This one was a beautiful trade right back off the support here. That's it. Done.
Can you look at the new stock? The Shim, whatever the name was. SHIM.
There's nothing there. Not right now.
So you're not even gonna set it up?
7, over 7. It would have to be over 7 for me. I don't see anything there. And it's not moving. Spread is 11 cents. I like to see more continuous candles. I like to see candles like these. Okay? I like to see candles like this moving in this type of fashion, right? Then this SHIM. Okay? How would you trade this? I wouldn't. That's just my thought, right? That's just me. That's how I trade. I wouldn't trade this because I don't see anything developing. Look at here. Where would you get in? Where would you get in? This don't have any body to it. It has nothing. Look at the little body right there. Okay? This is not telling me nothing. What this telling me right now, this chart telling me, this is the high, this is the low. Okay? This is what this chart tells me. Okay? And it should be telling you the same thing too. Now, this is the range, top and bottom, right? Top and bottom. This is the range. This candle tell me it popped up and got rejected at the VWAP. Okay?
Steve, I got a question. How come you don't set your limit order at 660, and then if it goes lower, you just put your stop loss?
I don't like to trade in limit order. I only trade limit order either pre-market or after hours. I like to trade with market order every time I do a trade when the market is open. That's just my preference. I don't know about.
Well, then you can miss a lot of trades, though.
It's okay. It's okay. But that's not my style. You understand?
Yeah.
If that's not my style, I'm not going to do something that I'm not accustomed to doing. Like I said, after hours, I do limit orders. Pre-market, I do limit orders. But when the market is open, I like to do market order. I rather
Especially
turn it that way to get a better feel.
especially on a fluid moving stock. I mean, I tried limit orders and I missed. I missed out on the entries.
Yeah, I just don't want to do limit order when the market is open. If that's the way you trade and that's the way you set it up, fine, because it works for you, right? Remember, anything that you do here is not necessarily wrong. It's what you go back and review and say, okay, this doesn't work for me. How do I resolve that? Because you try it 10 times, right? Out of 10 times, and out of 10 times, 9 times it didn't work. You can't keep trying it again, right? You can't try the 11th time because 10 times it did not work. So you got to evaluate that and say, what am I doing? Why I'm not getting this, right? You don't keep on making the same mistake over and over again.
Yep.
Without stopping and saying, okay, put it down on paper and say, okay, what is it I'm doing that is wrong? Why I'm losing on this trade? I took it 10 times and I lost 10 times. And I wouldn't take a trade 10 times and lose 10 times. If I lose 3 times on that trade, I got to reevaluate myself. A, I'm impatient. B, I didn't look at the strategy, right? I didn't look at momentum. I didn't look at support and resistance. There's all different variables that comes in. So trading it's a skill. It's not something that you come in and say, the money is there, guys. The money is there. It's not going nowhere. The idea is for you to come in the market and find a formula that fits you, not nobody else, fits you. It's catered to you. It's designed for you. That's what you got to do. Why can I come in the market and do what I do? Because I've done the work. I've lost before. I've written it down. Oh man, this didn't work. Oh man, that didn't work. Oh, I can't get in the market right here. You know how long it took me when the market opened to get over the fear of getting into the market because the market slaughtered me at open so many times when I first started? I got slaughtered and never knew how, never knew why, right? That's when company is unloading from the previous day. They're unloading at the opening of the market, right? And sellers and buyers is trying to fight it out. Oh, they unloaded. I'm going to try to get it up from the bottom. Boom, up, boom, boom, boom. And the market is choppy because everybody in that first 30 minutes is doing. Now, how do I fit in that choppiness? I got to look for my strategies. Okay? Say on this stock, it was the opening. Okay? It was going up. I'll wait for it to come back down here and grab it because the momentum is going up. Boom. Straight up into the strength of the stock, I'm out. I'm done. On just this one candle alone, I'm done for the day. Because you know what? I'm going to fill it with the right share size, and that's going to make my profit for the day. I don't have to trade this stock after that. It could do whatever it needs to do. And there she goes. She could do whatever she wants to do. None of my business. I care less. What I care about is my strategy work. I made money. I'm out. Okay, let's go back to Tesla. Just to want to show you. Okay, there you go, my guy. You understand now? That was the target. Boom, you're done. Let it do what it needs to do. Still within the channel. Right? Still within the channel. Now, what you think I'm going to be looking for? Tesla breaking underneath this level here. You could wait for here, or you could wait right here. What would be the better one? This one, right? This is your target. Or you could start here. If it breaks onto this level here, right? Build a position. Small, and as it comes down, break this level, this support again, you add as it breaking, right? Not before. You add as it breaking because it's in a momentum to the downside. I don't like to add when the stock is breaking down. I don't like to add shares to the stock breaking down. I like to add shares to the stock when it's breaking up. Some people do it to the downside. Some people do both. I like to add to the stock when it's breaking up. So those are things that you gotta have in mind. You gotta have that already or develop that. So you could be able to do that when the stocks are moving nicely like this, okay? Like this, okay? A stock break a level like this, you could add because you're already in it. Add to the downside. Here, target, add, okay? Target, add, all right? Boom. But if I'm gonna add shares to a stock breaking down, I may add only once. I don't need to add 2 times. You don't need to do that because your initial trade, you're gonna take 3/4 out anyway, right? And remember, once you add, your entry is gonna move, right? So you gotta keep that in mind, okay? Look at SE. My partial is still running. Didn't get stopped out. So it's also important to set your stop loss to where you could profit still off your partial. And if it takes you out, it was a partial anyway. You already have 3/4 out. Don't beat yourself up. Right? Makes sense? Yes? No?
Yeah, it does.
I don't know if I'm making sense or not.
Yeah, you good.
So that's SE. It's NVIDIA. Okay, nothing there. So I wouldn't trade NVIDIA right now. Here we go back. Yesterday it started at 12, right? Today the sideways movement starts at 10:45. Okay? So it's even earlier today that it's going sideways, right? So what you wait for? I could wait for this level here to break lower. Okay. And I'll wait for this level to break higher. And I will do nothing until these levels start, the stock come back to these levels, right? And if you really want to wait, you wait at this level here. Okay? But then how I would treat this stock here, NVIDIA, if it break this level, then I would use this level as an entry, and this would be my target. Okay? Then this would be my entry. This candle here, this red candle here, or this level here would be my stop loss, right? Now, if it's breaking here, I could come down and use this level as my stop loss, this candle, because it's breaking down at this level. It's already surpassed the VWAP. Now it's attempting to break this level. You understand? And if it's going to break this level, then the VWAP would be my stop loss, right? Because it's going higher. Boom, break this level. My stop loss is the VWAP. Or you could go right underneath the VWAP just in case it come back down and do this. You're underneath the VWAP and it doesn't stop you out. But these are information that you gotta have already before you go into the trade. Where your stop loss is, where your entry is gonna be, and where your target. Remember, it don't always hit your target. If it doesn't, you have decision to make, 3/4 out. So what, you take 3/4 out? So what, it didn't hit your target? You got 3/4 out, and you know what? You're partial right back at your entry, or you could leave your partial in a profit window. And that was a win-win trade. That's how you maximize your gains and minimize your losses, right? I'm teaching today. Woof.
Two more started trading. 2 more IPOs. They don't look that great.
They're always not going to look great.
SGN.
SGN,
Yeah, that had a
S-
George Nancy. That had a gap down. Must have been halted. And then
hold on.
yeah, go ahead.
That paper all over the place. So we got SGN.
Yeah, then we got GLACU. George, Larry, Apple, Charlie, Umbrella.
L.
Mm-hmm. A, Apple, C, Charlie, U, Umbrella.
SHIM.
Mm-hmm. That was the first one.
So this is a gap down, right? So what you think would need to happen here, right?
Gotta fill the gap.
So just trying to. I'm just trying to change your thought process, right? I'm just trying to change your thought process, okay? You're used to trading a certain different type of way. I'm gonna get you to rethink how you approach these stocks on a day-to-day basis, right? A gap down. What you think it's gonna happen for me to get into this trade here, all right? They gotta break this level here. The gaps start right at the VWAP to start filling, right? So this is something you could look for, okay? Right there, that's $3 and make that green, right? From here to here, that's your target window. It has to fill the gap to come back up, right? Come on. Right? Change that to that. Change this. Okay. So my entry would be here. I'm just giving you a scenario, right? Okay. And this is your target, right? All right. And if it doesn't meet any one of these here, I'm not going to go into the trade. But then again, to make this stock complete that, you need momentum to carry it through and fill the gap. So what if it doesn't fill the gap, right? This is another scenario you could look for. Take half of that, which is at that $4, right? Don't wait for the whole gap to be filled. Take half. Enter here, take half. If it continue to go, then your partial will take you through and fill the gap and go, right? But that's what I have set up, right? That's what I would do if this stock start to coming back. Now, what if this stock just all of a sudden gap up here and fill that gap from here to here, right? And it can do that. It could open up back up here, right? So the next scenario would be over the top at $5. And I wouldn't do anything until I see this $5 area break, right? And this is when you'll be looking at your bid and ask, your spread, your volume, the momentum. What is happening? Right now, nothing is not happening in the stock. It's already down what? As it opened already, it's down 46%. How much more you think it's going to recover? People already had their shares lined up to sell at $5. It's at 2 now. 250. Okay. So is it worth? I don't know. At this moment, I can't tell. But just in case anything happens and it changes, this is my plan. You gotta have a plan. This is my plan. What is your plan? Okay. I look at the stock. I assess it. I look at some opportunity. If the stock changes direction, I could benefit off it. You got to do that. You got to make sure you do that every single day with every single stock. And again, is it easier to trade 5 different stocks? I'm going to tell you, look at Tesla now. Okay? And we missed that. But I just wanted to show you that. Okay. Remember the bigger picture we were talking about, the bigger entry? Here you go. Here you go. Okay? Now, this level here, 236.35. Okay? That's where I want to see Tesla break. Okay? So imagine we were down here, right? We were down here. You enter here. Look where you at now. You see the difference? You were enter here, right? Look where you at now. Okay. Volume is coming in. I need to see it break this level here. Okay. Get this out of here. So you see how better you would be? You would have already been in the profit if you had took the stock right here. Yeah, it pulled back, but your stop loss is here. You never got stopped out. Okay? So now that I missed the trade in demonstration, my next trade would be here. Okay? But as I'm looking at Tesla, can Tesla do the same thing here? It attempted here, and look at the pullback, right? It attempted here, right? And look, pullback, right? Couldn't get any higher, pullback. Lower, pullback, right? Attempt, pullback. Using the VWAP, now it breaks through. All right? Because this time it comes up and break through, we got to see this level here. 236, 236.40. I want to see that printing in my ask. People are asking for 236.40. You want to see that. Okay, no update on printing. No.
So Steve,
Yes, sir.
so if Tesla break down past the VWAP, you want to wait to see the confirmation for 231 before you
Yeah,
do
I
anything?
want to see that. I want to see that.
Gotcha.
I don't have to do the VWAP all the time. You know, just because I have a strategy on VWAP, I don't have to take that strategy all the time, because sometimes it doesn't allow you to get in, right?
Okay.
It don't allow you to get in, okay? So what is going to be more beneficial to me for it to break a major support or break a major resistance, right? And at this point, I'll be taking a big share size here, right? Because my risk reward ratio would be, let's see.
Back to the VWAP.
No, it could be right under this candle here, right? If it break this level, because I'm going with the previous candle.
Okay.
Okay. That's what I would have my stop loss here, right underneath this candle here. But it has to break this level, and it has to show 236.40 printed. We're not too far away from it. We're about 20-something cents away. We may able to get it, but then again, look what's here. And if it doesn't get it and it pulled back, look where my stop loss is.
Gotcha.
So when you're trading, you gotta try things. You cannot just come in and say, okay, this is it, boom, and that's it. If anybody's telling you that, you gotta try things. You're not always gonna win. You gotta lose in order to say, okay, that didn't work.
Steve, sorry to interrupt. Airbnb on the move. Broke out.
Pop.
Wow.
Pop. I could pull back on that. It would have to bounce off the VWAP to bounce over the top here. This is the target for it, yeah, next resistance on that. 130. We would have to go to 130. So do I want to do this at the high of the stock there where it got to go? I don't know. Decision. Look. Support level sitting right above the VWAP. It's not even using the VWAP yet. Look. It's sitting right above there. Right? So if I'm going to look for this stock to break, where do you think I'm going to be looking for? I'm going to look for right here. Short. Bam. Stock is talking to you. What is it telling you? What information it's telling you? Huh? Over the top. Two areas. Boom, bam. Momentum will take you higher. Volume will take you higher. Right? 126.50. That's where I want to get it. $126.14. Okay. There's nothing. Right in this level here. You want.
Morning, fellas.
Hey, Steve, the shop broke the, what is it, 65, whatever it was, 67.
There you go.
It's pulling back, so I mean, I don't know. Is it a good time to get in?
I would wait, brother. That's just me, man. That's just me. I want to see levels break first. I just don't jump in stock just because. Just because.
Okay.
I need to see level breaks. That's what made me successful. That's what I'm going to stick to. Okay? Just because I see a red candle from the highs, it's just somebody sold here. Somebody could come, boom, and push it right back up. And look, you're short, now you're out. Wait for the stock to develop. This is not giving me even enough volume in it for me to attempt to do this stock here. A better trade for me would have been a Tesla trade. Great day, everybody driving home from dropping off. Tuned in. Thank you, Duke. Yes, sir. 219. You know it. Thank you for checking in on YouTube. And the T, yes, makes sense. Absolutely. Now, look at Tesla. Now, if I would attempt to get into Tesla here on this momentum candle here, what would have happened? I would have lost on that trade. So you gotta wait. You gotta wait to find out what the stock is doing before you make the decision. And again, you have to make those decisions before you enter the trade. You can't just, oh, Tesla. Okay, it's moving. Okay, what make it moving? Look at the components. What making it moving? What are the bids? What are the asks? Where's support? Where's resistance? You gotta ask yourself that. Look at the chart. What is it doing? So for me, it doesn't even matter what noise is out on the outside. Oh, CPI report good. Okay, the market is green. Okay, look, CPI is good. Look at these stocks. Are they running off the chart? No, they're not. Look where they at. It's like we had a standstill in a roadblock, right? Traffic. So just because the market looks good this morning, that don't mean all the stocks it's going to run. Only selective of few of them is going to do it. You just have to pick the right ones. All right? And when I come in every single day, I try to give myself the best opportunity to trade these stocks. As well, if I'm giving myself the best opportunity, that means you're going to have the best opportunity at it. And again, I don't know what the market is going to do. But from pre-market, I'm going to be looking at those stocks and set up the best opportunity for us, for me. And if you're in those stock as well, you'll be benefit off it. It all depends on what your trading strategy is set up to be. Okay? Remember, we talk about the channel. We got a channel now, right? This is the channel now, right? Break through this one now, right? So we get rid of that one, create another one, right? So this is it now. This is the bigger picture now. Okay? So that's how you do that. Welcome, welcome, welcome everybody. How you doing, guys?
Steve, can
If
you
you're
set up
on YouTube,
AMD?
go ahead and subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, leave a comment, hit a like, okay? Come over here and hit the emoji sign over here. Show us some love over here on TikTok. Not TikTok, on YouTube, all right? They got the same emoji thing like they got in TikTok over there, okay? I appreciate it if you could do that for me. It just keep the channel alive. And Andre,
What's up? I'm here.
what's going on, man? I saw you there, brother.
I got a question. Can you set up AMD?
AMD?
Yep.
I thought we set that up.
I don't know. I was gone. I got breakfast.
There it is. You got to break this level here, 120. Now, if your trading strategies was underneath this low here, you would have got it through the VWAP. Okay? That was another area here. Right there. That level here. Break the support here. Bam, the VWAP. But when you're trading, is that what you're looking for? You're looking for this much? And again, people have different gains that they look for. Some people look for 10 cents. Some people look for 5 cents, right? Some people look for 3 cents. It all depends on what you want to do or what you want from the market. I look for 50 cents or more, okay? My major success is $1 or more, okay? I get 80 cents, I'm 3/4 out. A lot of times I get 2 points, 3 points, because I'm looking for those big stock that move like that, right? Or Tesla does that, or Nvidia does that, Microsoft does that, Apple does that. Amazon does that. Google does that. Okay? So if I want a big stock with big gains, gaining 2 points or more or a point or more, I trade those stocks. But just because I trade them, that don't mean everybody else can trade them, right?
True.
If you have a small account, you won't be able to trade those stocks. What's the sense of buying 1 shares of that stock? Right? So you got to look for stocks that fits your portfolio. And then look for those stocks that fits your portfolio, and then you could manage those trades a lot better so you're not blowing up your account. Okay? If you have a small account, I wouldn't be trading Tesla. If I have a small account, I wouldn't be trading like a MSTR or AVGO. Because those stocks move significantly fast at times. And if you don't get your right entry, if you don't get your right setup, you could blow an account just like that on 1 trade. I'm telling you. Me getting into trading, I've learned that. Okay? The reason why I could do this is because I give myself room. In the morning, I'll make for the day already, and then some. So I have time to play with some of these stocks like this, test out my strategy. That's the level you want to get to. You got to constantly keep working. All these AI bots that, okay, you plug this in, and that's going to work for you. Fine and dandy if it works for you. Okay? But I want to be in the action. I want to set it up. I want to know. You get a bot, you don't have no emotion involved in it. And what if it doesn't work? What happens? You're going to trust the bot to do it? Or I'm going to trust myself that I did that, I managed it, I lost that, I know what it needs to do next time, and you go from there. At any time, you could put a large amount into a bot, and then all of a sudden, what happened? Something happened. The bot malfunction, right? All those things happen. You see it happen to me here. The platform shut down on me. And it happened many times.
Steve, can you check the ALB? Good for short.
ALB. All right, let's look at some stocks. You guys shoot it out. Good look at it. ALB.
Short to the VWAP 122.34.
Gotta break this level here. There's one. It's gotta be. This was the trade here though. 125. 125 was the better trade. To the VWAP would be your target. I mean, from here, 124, 124.10, 124, right? $124. This is a possibility right here. I mean, you know, the spread is 16 cents. The stop loss is going to be here. Stop loss is going to be right here. And the target is VWAP, right?
Yep.
Okay. I mean, the momentum where I gotta see 124 print. All right. Okay, I see 124 print. Okay. Let's do this here. 124. Oh no, that's not what I want to do. Oh, see? That's not what I want to do. I don't want to do that. Okay, that's not what I want to do. I want to do the opposite. Okay. Let's do this. No money lost, no money gained. Okay, let's do this. All right, switched out. Okay, this is my stop loss. This is your target, right? So I saw 124 print. Okay. Fill me now at 123.93. So I got to see one. There you go. Okay. Now, if it fails, right? Because the momentum is to the downside, right? If it fails, I have my stop loss in already. Okay. Coming in this stock, I already know where my stop loss is and know where my target is, right? Let me know. Just let me know what you think. What you think? Hmm? Can I be mad at myself right now? Can you be mad at yourself right now? Watch this. Huh? Watch this. Watch this.
I took this trade, Steve. ALB short.
Same here.
Good catch, man.
I'm three
There you
fourths
go.
out.
There you go. So I'm 3/4 out, right?
Mm.
Into the strength of the stock, right? Now you tell me, is this a losing trade? You just came over and said, look at ALB. We looked at it and said, okay, this is what happened. We set up a strategy, right? We set it up, our loss, our profit, our entry, right? Look at it. So that's your mindset you gotta have. You gotta have that mindset, right? Now, look at this. I take this out, 124, okay? I could either let my stop loss be at my entry. Why don't I reduce that? Right? Why don't I reduce that right there? Okay. 150. Right? But 124.50. Right? So I give it a 50-cent stop loss instead of I cut that stop loss in half, right? Instead of give it $1, I give it 50 cents. So how is it that I'm gonna lose on that trade, right? Get this out of there. But that was our entry. How I'm gonna lose? Right? And as it goes down, I'll bring it down to 124. If it breaks this VWAP here, I'll put it to 124. And if it breaks the VWAP and comes down here, I'll move it below 124. So even if it's 1 point, if it's 123.99, I still came out of that trade with a win rate, right?
What do you think about the Home Depot, HED?
Would have to break VWAP on that stock to go lower. Ain't nothing happening right now. Look like it exhausted up there. You guys are watching ALB?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm in it.
And I could go into every stock in the stock market and find an opportunity.
Show.
As long as the setup is there for me to do it, right? That was beautiful. So imagine if you had took it right here. I wouldn't have never got out. Look at this level right here. And it's not fast, it's slow. So at least, you know, you could manage it. It's not down and, you know, the emotion is, oh my God, oh. It's not up and down like that. One motion, it's down. Find your area in the stop, okay? Now, what else can happen here? It could bounce off here and come right back up, okay? So as it comes down, look, 124.29, right? I'm just demonstrating for you. 124.29, right? Or 30. Okay, so I give it a 20-cent stop loss now. right? And as it goes down, I pull it down to my entry till I finally get to my entry. And if it's pulled down far enough, then yeah, I could make some room for profit with the partial. But right now, that's the partial I'm willing to give up. I'm willing to give this up because 3/4 of it already, I'm already out. I will be never red on this trade here. I'll be a fool to let this stock come back up and go up there and don't come out. And let this partial take away the profit. That don't make any sense, right? It don't make any sense. So we ride it. The trend is your friend. It's to the downside, ride. Move your stop loss down. Protect that money. If you're in at 124, look, you're 80 cents in right now, right? I'm just saying. Okay? Look at my partial. Okay? Forgot about NVDA. We didn't look at this GL. We're having too much fun, man. We're having too much fun, man. Nothing. I wouldn't touch this. I don't trade stock like this. Where do you get in? Huh? Where do you get in? You just gotta know. Where do you get in? Where's the pattern? Where? All you know, it comes down here and hit out at the VWAP. From here, it could go here, right? From here, it could go here. Even the same type of movement. I don't like stocks like that when they move like that. It shows it's in an uptrend pattern, but where do you enter?
It's only 2 cents from there to the top, right?
Yeah. So look at that. Why would I put any energy into a stock that is moving 2 cents? Some people may say, oh, from here, I'd rather trade an Apple or a Lucid. Right, Yasin? Before I trade this stock here.
Steve, I have no words for lucid.
Okay. So
I got out of lucid.
we just got to make you make money today, man. Money. That ABL was money.
Mm-hmm.
All right. You guys tell me. I'm watching.
That would be a target. Anybody else looking at anything we can look at? Welcome, all YouTubers.
I'm hearing a echo. Could already
Just
hear
might want to hit the notification bell, let you know.
you hear that, Mark?
Okay.
Yeah, somebody has YouTube on.
Also, leave a comment and leave
Yeah, I think it was Edwin. Edwin, I had to mute you.
You're looking good on ALB, guys.
let's do it.
I didn't have anything on.
Oh, you didn't? Because when I muted you, it went away. So somebody else must have, and they muted themselves.
And I was saying, oh, check out Carvana.
Which one?
Carvana. TVNA.
See, from trading here, I know that's Edwin's favorite stock.
Right.
Edwin loved trading this stock. Got to break VWAP.
Come on, make it up. Come on. All right. See if Microsoft can make it up here on this level here. And then we'll hit it on the Microsoft. If not,
Microsoft?
which is
You said Microsoft?
366.82. Okay.
Did you say Microsoft?
VWAP there where it broke VWAP and then bounced on this engulfing candle here.
I didn't hear you.
That is you, Edwin. Something's playing in the background. So I muted you again. Yeah, that is you.
Microsoft? Did you say Microsoft? I just wanted to be clear.
Who?
If somebody said Microsoft, that was
No, I think that was just background stuff.
okay. Microsoft got to come up off the bottom here.
It was me.
I know it was.
No, you know why? You know why I didn't think it was me is because it was Zen's yesterday's his live.
Oh,
It was playing
yeah,
in the
'cause-
background, and I kept hearing him talk twice, and I was like, "What the hell is going on?"
well, you know, when someone talks, a yellow box goes around them, so I know.
Yeah. I thought it was an echo at first.
I thought so too.
It was, but it was Zed's voice.
Yeah, from yesterday.
This is what
I was playing the morning one because I wasn't there in the morning to watch it, so I just went back.
Yeah.
Open.
Gotcha. Thank you guys for all the love on YouTube there. I appreciate that. Nothing in the market right now. I know this ABL is working though. I know it's working. Show of hands, who is still in ALB? Kenny, what's up?
Steve, can you check the Boeing BA?
I sure can. I sure can. EA. We're making money today or what?
Yeah,
You guys are making money today? Yes? No? I don't know if this channel makes money. This channel makes money? You guys make money in this channel here?
For sure.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. I
And
wanna
most importantly, we learn.
create an effective channel that we're making money, man. I just don't wanna. BA is in a channel right now. We have to break this 206 to short, man. We'd have to break 206. BA. Break this level here. Funny. 206. Yeah, I don't see that last one. ABL is trying to use the VWAP as support. So my stop loss now is gonna be 123.95. All right? So I got myself a 5-cent buffer. 123.95. Okay? So instead of give back the old thing, right? And you know what? Look. Instead of wait for that, why don't I do this? Right? Take 300 off. Makes sense, right? Bam. Bam. Right? Right? Take 300 off. Right? And I still save myself a 5 cents profit. Right? If the stock changed direction. And if it doesn't, look, I got more to go. I got 200 shares left. And I could take 50 off. I could take 20 off. Depends on what your share size is. I could take it off in 50 shares increments, or I could take it off 10. I could take it off 1. It doesn't matter how you set it up to take it off. Right? But look, took another partial. Why give back that much to the market? We're in the taking business, right? We're in the extraction business, as Edwin would say. Right? We're in the extraction business. Okay? Free money. Got to work for it, right? But if you know, you know. It's when you know it get a little bit easier. It's when you don't know, it's a little bit hard. But if you stick to it, I guarantee you, man, you'll get it. You'll get it. Follow me, man. We make money. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Come on. I'm excited for 2024. I'm excited. So if you want to learn how to make money, come on in, man. Join the team. We extract money from the market every day. And we won't stop until we find opportunities. Let's go here. Let's see what the market is doing. All right. FinViz, what's going on? What a green map it is. But look how green the market is, and look at you know who are winning right now? The bears. The bears are winning right now in the market. It's a 74.26. Bears. Let's see here. Wall Street. Let's see. FSR. See what FSR is doing. FSR. Fisker. That's an electric company. Car, right? Wow. Look at that breakdown on Fisker. Wow, 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 wow. You can trade on it over here. Look at this trade, right? Look at this trade, right? Stop loss. Guys, how do I know that? You know this getting in? You know this getting in, right? You should know this getting into the stuff, right? These are just for demonstration purpose only, right? Just to show you.
That made me think of FSLR.
Yeah.
That thing ran.
Look at SMCI. Anybody in SMCI still?
No, unfortunately, no.
Oh my goodness. Look what 100 shares is doing, guys.
Hit your target.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
You said it. 280.
Keep an eye on Home Depot. Talk to me, Yasin. What you want, brother? Let me know.
I just want my Tesla to go up, man. I mean, my end phase to go up. It's already past the 82, remember?
All right. So let's look at Enphase. Give me a minute here. Let me switch something over here. So keep an eye on this here. I just want to do that for demonstration purpose. That FSR.
Okay, do the FSR. Do the FSR. Let's do the FSR.
My computer just put down. Same thing I was talking about, that the platform shuts down, it shuts down. Can't do anything about that. That's perfectly demonstrated to me that anything can happen. That's why I don't use bots. I gave you guys a stock a long time ago. PSTG.
Yeah, it's running.
Okay. Remember I said that.
Yeah, I do.
PSTG.
Yes, sir.
Very seldom that one stock that comes in that is gonna I don't see nothing here. What you see? Enphase. Okay. Enphase is yours, yes. And we do this again. Okay. What is it that you want from Enphase, Yasin?
I needed to get to $148.
148.
Yes, sir.
And how long you
I
plan
think
on holding that for?
I think you'll have to buy the whole company.
Okay. So let's look at the chart right now. Okay. This is a daily.
Mm-hmm.
Figure this out. So we could make a sense of what your perspective is. Okay.
It's not going to be easy, Steve. It's going to take some time.
Okay. So you're planning on holding it for how many years?
No, not how many years. When it tumbled down, I got caught in at around here in around July.
Okay. What's your entry?
Oh, I've been DCAing, so right now I'm sitting at
What's your average right now? What it's saying? What's your average?
148, 148.70.
Okay.
Yeah.
So let's see where we are at 148.
It's got the resistance at 152. It needs to get all the way to 152.
But
Yeah.
we got to look at it for what it is now, right?
Mm-hmm.
148 is right here at this yellow line here, right?
Mm-hmm.
Look what it has to come through to get up to 148.
A lot.
A lot.
Yeah.
A lot it got to climb through, and it got to fill a couple gaps before it gets there. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
This is one right here, and here's another one.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
That's another gap it got to fill.
Yep.
I only got to fill two gaps. One, two. Look at the resistance. Look here. Look at this major resistance here.
Mm-hmm.
After that, look here. After that, look here.
Mm-hmm.
So the time that this is going to take to get here, right, and you're waiting on, and you're in the green, I could take the money out here, and if it continued to come up, I could multiply that 3 or 4 or 5 times and make more than the money that I was sitting here to wait for.
I'm not in the green.
Because it
I'm
may
down
never
100.
get back up here.
Yeah.
And what could happen is it could gap up here and then what? Gap right back down.
Mm-hmm.
So sometime waiting, I'll wait for stock till it almost out of my portfolio, and I don't know what stock it was.
Mullen.
That is the first time it happened to me, that I'm into a stock. Something happened in my portfolio. I went and looked. All I saw was zero across the board, stuck with X amount of shares.
Yeah.
So you don't know. So for me, that is a lesson learned, right?
Mm-hmm.
Money that I had in there, it's just gone, just like that. I gave it to them. Here you go.
Mm-hmm.
So something could happen. It could happen overnight. You could have this now, and then tomorrow you wake up and it goes to zero. Something happened overnight after hours, and they sold the company, and that's that.
Yeah.
It
Well, that's
happens.
what happened. Yeah,
It
that's what happened.
It does happen. It happens to me. I'm not going to tell you, no, I'm not lying to you. It happened. I'm looking at my long-term portfolio, and I'm looking at zero and looking at the quantity. I'm going like, wow, what a major hit to my portfolio.
Mm-hmm.
Because I had so many stock, and you can't keep an eye on all those stocks. Something is going to get lost in it. It's not like, hey, they're picking up the phone and call you, hey, Mr. Reid, your stock is about to sold out. That's none of their problem. Oh, this is going on with this company. It's none of their problem.
Yep.
It's your problem. You're the one bought it. You got to keep an eye on it. Okay? So it happened. Lesson learned.
Now imagine people that bought end phase at 75 when it hit 75, 76.
There you go.
Mm-hmm.
Imagine.
Mm.
Right?
Tesla. Still green.
Good. Good. Like I said, free up some money to get you to do some other things, some spectacular.
Okay, so here's another thing, Steve. So if I look at Tesla now, I've got 865 shares. So if I sell it all, I'm making $600.
Tesla.
All right.
Uh-huh.
Now, if I sell just 100 shares, and I look at my lots, I got shares from 263, 261, 262, 260, 259. So if I sell, assuming I sell 10 shares now, it shows me profit, but am I in profit?
Are you in profit?
How can I be in profit? Because they're selling shares as per lots when you buy. You know, when you're DCAing? You know, when you DCA?
Yeah.
So you bought shares at 250, then you bought at 240, then you bought at 230. Your cost is 240 now, assuming.
Right. But
And the stock goes to 241, you green, you sell 10 shares, but it sold the first lot, which was bought at 250. So you're thinking you made a profit, but it actually gave you a loss.
then I wouldn't do it like that. Stop
Then I'll have to
doing it
wait,
like that.
and I'll have to wait for Tesla to 260.
Then stop doing it like that. Stop buying it as it go down. Stop. And
Yeah.
then just have one entry and wait for it to be at that entry and then get out, or that profit target and get out. Because it's going to sell the higher one for you. It's going to sell that out.
Unless I change it to LIFO.
That's it.
Hmm.
So you know, it's not like you don't know. You know, it's just that if that's not working for you. Don't keep making the same mistake, because when you're in profit, you're losing. When you should have been taking the profit, it's actually selling that out for you at a loss, just to get rid of the lot.
But my portfolio is up today. Big time. I'm up 35 grand.
What make it up? What are the
I'm
stuff
up to the,
that in it make it up?
well, I'm up 17,000 on ENPH. 5 grand on Etsy.
Would you be taking profit? Would it be at a loss?
No. So, yeah, I would be taking a loss. I'm not in profit as yet.
Okay.
I was down 130K, 120K on ENPH.
Okay.
Okay, Tesla, guys.
I don't know how long that stock is gonna.
It's gonna take some time, but I've been selling everything that goes green, so creating liquidity. Sorry about that noise. I got a guy that's doing my aircon repair. I'll just mute myself.
Okay, ABL. I'm out, ABL. All right. What a great trade. Hopefully you guys took your profit out of that. All right. ABL. So ABL was strong today. Use VWAP, right? This is another scenario on ABL. Okay. Target. Entry. Stop loss. Some people could give it right at VWAP stop loss. Trying to manage the trade here. You don't want to lose much. And again, you made a profit to the downside, right? You made a profit to the downside. Do you want to go with the same share size to the upside? Okay. 124, right? Looking for 124. I could do this, but not many people could do this, right? 124. I'm looking for 124. Okay. 23.50 stop loss, 124. I got printed 124. Okay, print. Bam. Okay. Just to show you something here. SMCI. Woo! She working, baby. Just to show you something. All right. Have my entry ready. Have my stop loss ready. Have my target ready. Right? Just to show you something. Just because it's saying this here, that don't mean it's gonna go up, right? Just want to demonstrate to you. And not everybody could do this, guys, okay? I'm doing this because I have the luxury of doing that, right? I'm playing with house money now. The bank is already taken care of, it's put to the side. Everything from this on point moving forward, unless I make a major mistake, right? Which I don't think I'm gonna make a major mistake. I'm gonna manage my losses. So it gave me 124 print one. One person asked, that's probably me asking for 124, right? I haven't seen any more after that. Okay? But that's where I want to take it back. From where we take it short, I want to take it back from that level right back up. Right? And again, I could look for 50 cents or $1. Right? It's all up to you. Okay? You know, this is the range, right? VWAP. Change that to orange. This is the range here, right? And within the range, we're trying to look for something to develop so we could trade, right? And if it doesn't work, here we are. Our stop loss is right here. That was a losing trade for right now. It didn't break it right here. It could come back down, find support here again, and break down lower, or it's going to break higher. And here we have an opportunity to make off this trade here. Okay? So now we got 123.75 printing now. Okay? We need 26 cents for it to break that 124. And like I said, I like to trade off even numbers, right? Not everybody likes to do that. If the stock gets to that even number, I like to trade that. That's just one of my things. Okay? I've done it many times, so I know I could do that. Okay? And if it doesn't work there, it fails, I could give myself a 50 cents, $1, depends on how much you want to give your stop loss. Okay? All right. Welcome, welcome, everybody. Welcome. Happy Tuesday. Taco Tuesday. I don't think I'm eating taco today, though. Water, H2O. It's clear. You can't even see it. It's invisible. I'm drinking invisible water. It's good for you, H2O.
Steve, can you check the Foot Locker FL?
Absolutely. Foot Locker, you said it, we check it. Woo-wee. Look at that gap inside that gap area there. Man, she's screaming in there. Woo! Look at Foot Locker. How did we get that there? There it is. That's that gap down there. Look at the daily. It's in that gap, right? The only thing for that now is to break through that gap now. Okay? The only thing it needs to do is break through that gap now. Here, look. That's where it needs to break through. 123. 23. It needs to break through 23.
FSR just hit an alert.
Okay? FSR coming down. It's break 2050 short. I like it underneath that. Fisker. Fisker. Okay, we want Fisker. Just a little. I'm just going to demonstrate here for you. Not much. I'm just going to go with 4,000 shares right here, right? Because this is where we want, right? Well, our stop loss is there. Our target is there on Fisker. Okay? That's it. Oh, Billy. Billy's ready. Let's get back to Billy. Okay, that's my Billy. Oh, jeez. Billy. Billy. 67. I still forgetting Billy. Right there. ABL. What did I? Oh my goodness. Okay. There we are. So we got rejected. Billy. I need Billy. We need Billy. Okay. So that's 1,000 right there. Right? Out. ABLN. Okay. Do I need to give it more than that? No. No. That's it. Okay. Stop loss. That's it. It's done. Okay. Rejection. Boom. Now you get out of here. Now it has to build this level now on the VWAP to go lower, right? If not, it's not saying I didn't get the right entry. It was the right entry. Somebody sold here. Boom. Took me out straight on that candle, straight to the stop, right? It works. That's what I was going to give it. I'm not giving it any more than that. You got to honor that. Okay? Billy. Looking good. I still like the 124 to our 125 20. If it comes back up, that's a great entry to get in, but you need that momentum to come with it too. It started here and got rejected. Volume died. Right back down. Okay? Let's go over stock pick of the day. What we got here in the chat here? Nothing. Okay. Thank you guys for all joining today, man. I appreciate that. Somebody joining on the iPhone, didn't have a name. Andre, let's go. Manuel left. Andre, Tobias, iPhone 10 left. Andy T.
I'm here.
Okay. Tobias. Mike. Good job, guys. Thank you all.
No, thank you.
Pleasure. We just need some volume in the market for even ALB. We started to, but the pressure was right there. So you know what? Give it some more. Let it break through here. Let it break through it. All right. And if you don't, it's okay. You can leave it alone. Okay. Let's go over NVIDIA and go over some of these stock picks before our day. Okay, NVDA. Let's set up a scenario on NVDA. Got this level here. And NVDA to break higher. Come on. And I'll leave you with this. Right, so this level here, right? We did this earlier pre-market, right? I tried it again here when the market opened and fell, right? Tried it again, fell. Tried it again, fell. So this time around, we're hoping that it get through this time and then this would be your target, okay? And this could be your stop loss if you like, or I would rather do this as my stop loss. If I'm going to trade this stock, this would be my stop loss, okay? And as the stock move up with momentum, then I'll move the stop loss a little bit closer. Could be like right underneath the VWAP here. I still can, right? I still can move it there because the stock is way above that. So I still could put my stop loss there, okay? This is my new stop loss, okay? Okay, this would be the entry. Stop loss, target, okay? So let's wait for this here. I like that zero. Let's get through that zero. Okay. Sorry, too much of it. Billy's just so that's the scenario on NVIDIA. Okay. Just let me know. Anybody watching that, let me know when it gets there. Tesla, TSLA. Okay. Same thing with Tesla, right? And let's set up a stop loss. Almost the same chart, guys. Same chart, right underneath here, stop loss. Okay, that's entry here, stop loss, 238. Let's shoot for 238 as gold, our gold. Okay. Wanna wait for this one. You could build a position here. It's all up to you, but I will wait for the major one. That's just me. Build a position here from here to here, you add here as it breaks into it. That's something you could do. Billy, we're cooking now on Billy. Up 4 cents in Billy. Okay.
No, you're boiling in SMCI. Whew. The beast.
Oh, man. You see
That's
how
that.
you see how important a partial is, guys? Look,
Patience.
now if
Yep.
I didn't take out the 100, I'll be up 2,400 on a partial. Okay. So it's not that I'm doing, it's just managing the trade, right? It's setting it up. It's waiting, right? It's waiting. You will get it. Trust me, you will get it. Okay?
Here comes NVIDIA.
Okay, NVIDIA, let's go.
So she's gonna try to fly through that.
Okay, let's see here. I need 70, 96, 70, 496, 68. Look, and again, do I need to put my stop loss here? You don't have to. Again, you could put your stop loss right here. Okay? Don't feel like you have to do what everybody else is doing. Whatever, how you want to manage your trade, manage your trade. Now, if I leave my stop loss here and I have a big share size, the loss is going to be greater, right? Of course it's going to be. Now, if I tighten up the stop loss here, I'm going to lessen that loss, right? If I put it right here, even better, right? Because that's what I'm willing to risk. I'm willing to risk it from here to here. That's it. I don't want it here. I don't want it here. I'm willing to risk here. Okay? Okay, here we go. Here we are. We enter long. Okay? And this is going to be my last trade, guys. So you already know. NVIDIA, we got our stop loss in. Okay? We got Billy. Okay? Pushing for that. FSR kind of reject a little bit. Okay, we're still gonna look for that there. We got our stop loss in. Okay, SMCI, it's just a beast today. We're gonna look for a pullback at some point today, going into the close. But man, look at that, guys. Look at that. All right, win-win. SC, win-win. Okay, 22% down. This is the level I'm going to look for, 36.86 on the upside. It's already pre-given me, so you know what? I do 37. Do 37. I want that. Okay, 37 on the way up. Okay? And that be that. Billy, SE, Tesla, and we're waiting on Tesla. Okay? That's how we do it. Another day, another successful day. I'll be in the Discord, guys. Utilize the Discord. I'm there. The same thing that we do here, I'm doing it in the Discord. You know what? I may even go live.
On the Discord?
On Discord. Okay? And we could chop it up there. So thank you, guys. Hit me with that mark, please. 219 straight green days, ladies and gentlemen. You want to know how I do it? Come in and join me in the Zen Zone Zoom. Get familiar. And let's have fun, man. Let's trade and make money. Let's build this world together. Thank you all for participating with me. 251 trading days with the Zen Trader Green Bay Challenge. Okay? Again, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm only sharing my personal picks, my knowledge, and my trades.
Thank you, my brother. Appreciate you.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. See you
Thanks, man.
tomorrow, God willing.
think he froze here on Zoom.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh, you're back on Zoom.
okay.
Thank you.
Thanks,
You're
man.
welcome.